Hey guys, Retro Badger here with the Constitution class versus a Klingon bird of prey. This was requested by a few people,
Red alert,
so
shields up.
I thought why not? This is using the BC remastered mod, because I think it was brilliant and the sound effects are great, so here we go. Now I think this bird of prey is technically more modern, so than the Constitution class, so you know it's quite a tough fight, I think. But I'm sure Kirk would win.
The forward shield is draining.
Go for the impulse engines. Oh, they cloaked! Ah, did you see that? We got 2 torpedoes on it while it cloaks and its shields were down. That's going to help a lot. Just going to increase power to the shields and the weapons.
Shield draining, Captain.
Target hull integrity at 75%.
It's making good use of its cloaking device. That's another thing I like about this mod. The ships really use the cloak as a tactical advantage. Of course, with the disadvantage of no shields while you're cloaking.
Shields are at 75%.
I also need to try this with the Constitution refit as well.
I have nothing to add, Captain.
Not doing too bad here. No hull damage. Oh, yes! I think that might have hit just before the shields came up. You have to retarget every time it cloaks. It loses its target lock. On the subsystems. I'm trying to keep the lower shields away from it.
Sir, we are draining their top shield.
Oh, we just missed. I'm trying to distribute the shielding equally to absorb the impact. Oh, that did a good shot. Their front shield's very low. You know, this reminds me a little bit of when Archer faced against the Klingon bird of prey near Earth. Do you remember that? And he had the torpedoes for the first time. Just couldn't quite break through the shielding.
Target hull integrity at 50%.
Shields are at 50%.
Their sensor system has been disabled.
Ooh. They're in trouble.
Sir, they have hull breaches on multiple decks.
2 torpedoes should finish them off.
The hull is
Yes!
severely damaged,
There we
sir.
go.
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed. That's it. We
So the
got it.
Constitution class wins. Let's see what kind of damage
Hi,
we've got.
Captain. All stations, damage report.
Impulse engines are fully functional. Warp engines fully functional, Captain.
Phaser array is fully functional. Torpedo system is fully functional, Captain. Tractor beam is fully functional, Captain.
Sensor system is fully functional.
Hull integrity at 100%. Shields are at 75%.
Great. Well, thanks for watching,
Console
guys.
red alert.
Bye for now.